Hello everyone, Tina here from Trendated Tech, and today we will take a look at the Vivo's new smartphone Vivo V17 with smallest punch hole camera. So let's start unboxing. Opening the box, the first thing we get is the small box. Inside we found Type-C to USB cable, SIM ejector, documentation, and protective case for Vivo V17. So next we found is the Vivo V17 mobile itself wrapped with protection cover. Let's open it. You can see protective film is already applied in the Vivo V17. So let's keep it aside and check what's more inside the box. There is a Vivo fast charging adapter and Vivo's earpieces. So this all things we are getting in this box. So here is the Vivo V17. Let's start with the design. By the way, the device comes with two different colors. One is Midnight Ocean and second one is Glacier Ice. So we have the beautiful Midnight Ocean color variant of Vivo V17, making it feel premium. All the buttons including volume and power are located on the right. On the bottom side has 3.5mm headphone jack, microphone, Type-C USB port and speaker. On left side there is a SIM card slot which can take 2 nano SIM as well as a micro SD card. Lastly, on upper side there is a secondary mic. Moving to the rear side there is a L-shaped quad camera along with a single LED flash. Now let's switch on the device. The Vivo V17 has 6.44 inches Super AMOLED Full HD Plus screen display with a resolution of 2400 x 1080 pixels. The device runs on FunTouch OS 9.2 based on Android 9 Pie operating system. Now talking about the specs, the device is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 octa-core processor paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Even you can increase storage up to 256GB by adding micro SD card. The device is equipped with Adreno 612 GPU. For gaming performance, we have tested PUBG in default settings, that is high graphics settings, and we noticed no lags. It was fun to play on this device. Talking about the battery, Vivo V17 is powered by 4500 mAh battery with Vivo fast charging technology which quickly charges the mobile. When we switch on the mobile, by default we found some unwanted apps which was already installed, but the best thing was that we can uninstall it. Talking about camera, the Vivo V17 has 48 megapixel main camera plus 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor plus 2 megapixel sensor and 2 megapixel depth sensor. Camera app performed smoothly and we did capture pictures in both normal and ultra wide. There are more options we get in this app: portrait, night mode and many more. And here are the sample pictures which we have clicked from Vivo V17 phone camera. Talking about front facing camera, Vivo V17 has 32 megapixel punch hole selfie camera. For security, the Vivo V17 has in-display fingerprint sensor and face unlock. The fingerprint and face unlock detection is quite fast. Here we are also getting dynamic effects option, so we can customize fingerprint recognition animation. So here you are getting different animation for fingerprint. So you can select any one of them of your choice and you can apply it. We are also getting different dynamic effects for face unlock. In settings, we have noticed two more options: Ultra Game Mode, where you are getting lots of more options for playing games. And next is motorbike mode. So whenever you enable this mode, your incoming calls will be rejected automatically, responded to with an SMS during riding, and notification will be muted. You can also configure settings to stop rejecting incoming calls from some numbers like your friends, families. For your safety ride, this is the best option, so enable your motorbike mode and drive safely. Vivo is also providing us dark mode options where you are getting these options right here. So let's enable it and see how it looks. Overall, I am impressed with the design and software wise it performed well at our initial testing. Comment us and let us know what is your opinion about this product, and stay tuned to our channel, and also don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and we will meet again in another video. Thanks for watching.